What's up, YouTube? I thought I'd just I'm back with an update video. I actually went out and had leftover money from tax returns, and also I went ahead and just bought myself a new reel. I bought an Abu Garcia Ving Vinglatine, I think is how you pronounce it. It's a 7-foot medium action line rod. So, and I got a Pinnacle Platinum Plus 7.0 to 1, 0 to 1 ratio. Let's see, six bearing. What happened is I went to go oil grease this one again for fishing wise, and pop this part off, and everything just went flying. So that's history. Went ahead and got some more panfish hooks. I mean, all-purpose hooks. We love to use these because they work for basically any type of species. When we get to the water, I'm going to throw on one of these Sonic Swing minnows. It's basically a soft plastic with a treble hook and a blade. So I'm excited to try those. I bought 2 of those after work. Today we're going to go fishing in the next 2 days, so I figured I'd stock up. So since we have this little cooler over here for live bait now, because it's an old a chew tobacco container that we got from my dad's work. So I just went ahead and bought 4 containers, 18 Canadian night crawlers. We usually cut them in little smaller pieces, and then how we do it is take it, and I'll show you a second, like with a, let me try to get a hook out here. Okay, let me get a soft plastic one here I don't use anymore. It's basically kind of Texas rig style. How it works is you take it, basically just kind of thread it onto the hook, a chunk of it onto the hook all the way, like so. It's basically the shape of the hook is how you do it. So basically, you're done. It's going to be a smaller chunk, but looks like that. But that barb's also going to be semi-covered. So it's just basically the fish goes in, like, ooh, yummy. Let's see, it's the worm or whatever, and just engulfs the whole thing, hopefully. And in the process of doing so, we're hoping the hook just sticks in his mouth. He'll try to swim away. The fish tries to swim away. Jerk, set the hook. Boom, good. And I should also mention that my new fishing rod and reel is a graphite reel. Strong backbone for bass fishing. See, that's, and I got that buzz spinnerbait that's falling apart on there. Just kind of started things off with tonight or today. So yeah, I'll have to let you know how that goes. These lures are 3/4 to 6 ounce. It's 3/4 inch to 6 inch. The song, basically, you can read that. On your own, is basically all it is it's a little soft plastic minnow with a hook sticking out, treble hook I should say, and then a little blade on there, so it's kind of like a spinnerbait kind of thing, or a rooster tail. Yeah, rooster tail. They start smacking those. They were like $1.52 or something like that at Walmart. So yeah, and I like myself prefer to fish with losing lures, but sometimes I go to worms whenever needed. So please like, subscribe, comment. We will be, if we catch anything today, we'll probably be doing a how to clean. I was gonna do a how-to on how I basically get all my line on my reel. See, this is a bunch of mess that I had to pick off of the bait caster earlier because I was outside practicing, trying to get back in this hang of it, and just screwed up. So I'll just call that good, and I will continue with uploading. I'll see you later. Peace.